Good evening, children. Good evening. Hi, how are you?
Fine.
Good. So as we done, like actually as we planned yesterday, today we are going to start with the straight lines. Correct? So let us go with solving the questions. Just a minute. I think there is many of you have not joined it. Okay. So let's get started. So straight lines we were planning to go with in last class, correct? Yes. Chalo, let's get started. Any delay without any delay now. So just a minute. I think there is. Yeah. Have you revised the formulas related to straight lines? Children, have you? First here itself we have. Yes. So guys, look at the screen. Everyone, straight lines formulas. I will just open this PDFs and just let's have a quick look at the formulas, and it will go for the questions. So I'm asking you whether you guys have revised the formulas or not. Guys, are you here? Hello? Children, can you hear me or not? Am I audible to you all? Am I audible to you all people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm asking you whether you have revised with the straight line formulas or not.
Yes, sir.
Sorry?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so everyone have a look at the formulas. Very good, Charan, very good. So you need not to go with any formulas now, straight away. Straight away, shall I go for the questions then? Shall we go for the questions straight away? What do you people say? Else we'll have a look at these formulas. Look at the board, I mean look at the screen, everyone. So distance formula, everyone knows that x1 minus x2 whole square or x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We can do it very simply. Okay, sectional formula we have mx2 plus nx1 by 1 second. Yeah. So sectional formula, centroid, incenter, excenter formulas we have here. So area of the triangle formula, slope, formula, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, condition for the collinearity, angle between two straight lines formula we have here. So distance between two parallel lines c1 minus c2 divided by square root of a square minus b square. Okay, if they are parallel, so look at this, the condition is given, a by a dash is equal to b by b dash is not equal to c by c dash. When they are parallel, you will not be getting any solution, right? So that is a condition, the first one. The third point, if they are perpendicular, then a by a dash plus b dash is equal to 0. So a distance between a point and a line, ax modulus of ax1 by, ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by square root of a square plus b square. So reflection of a point about a line, x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 times of this one. 2 times of ax1 plus by1 plus c by square root of, a square plus b square in the denominator. Put of perpendicular formula, this is very important. Put of perpendicular from a point to the line, x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Bisector of the angles between two lines. 1 second, I think it's not right. Ah, actually, a straight lines. Look at this here. He has given here straight line formulas, coordinate geometry. Coordinate of some particular points, area of triangle formula, and after that, condition for tangency, pair of tangents. Oh, just a conic section. And I think he has not given in a well manner here. So let's stick to that PDF only. Yes, this is a good PDF. Everything he has given it. Condition for congruency. Concurrency. So you have to find out determinant of all the coefficients. Put it over there and just find it out. Pair of straight lines through origin. Yes, I'm unable to write here. I think I am not able to draw anything. 1 second. Yeah, but still, yes. Anyway, I'm unable to write here. Okay, no problem. So pair of straight lines through origin. Pair of straight line through origin, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. I think this type of formulas you guys are aware of. You have dozen theorems in straight lines. If I'm not wrong, state board students, you guys might have aware of all these formulas. So these are the major important formulas we will be looking at straight lines lesson. And today we'll be just starting with the questions of straight lines. So let us have a look at the questions, and let's have a look at the previous year JEE questions now. So first of all, let me go through the questions straight away. 1 second, let me take you the questions. So everyone, I'll just show it to you. Wait. Everyone solve this question. Sixth one. We will go in order actually. Everyone solve this sixth question. Solve the sixth one. Make it fast. Quick, quick. Make it fast. Jaffer is giving option A. Jaffer is giving option A. Okay. So option A, people saying, was the question given to you? The equation of one of straight lines which passes through the point 1 comma 3 makes an angle of tan inverse of 1, I mean root 2, with the straight line y plus 1 is equal to 3 times of 3 times of root 2x. Cool. So if I just compare y is equal to mx plus c, so y value is what, beta? 1 comma 3, right? So 3 is equal to m into 1 plus c. So 3 is equal to m plus c. Correct? What I did here, I substituted equation of a straight line passes through the point 1 comma 3, makes an angle of tan inverse of this with a straight line this. Okay, this is what he has. So basically, look at this here, tan inverse of root 2 given. So tan inverse of root 2 given. What is the formula for tan inverse of, I mean tan theta formula is what? We know that, look at this, let me write here. We know one slope. Okay. If I just compare this thing, y is equal to root 3x minus 1. So y is equal to mx plus, if I compare with y is equal to mx plus c, what I'm going to get? This is my m1 here, or m2, anything. So what is tan inverse of directly I'm writing root 2 is equal to m, I don't know, 1 m minus 1, 3 root 2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. Correct? So now just find it out. What we are going to do now here, multiply. So 1 plus 3 root 2 m into root 2 is equal to m minus 3 root 2. Multiply this. Root 2 plus 6m minus m plus 3 root 2 is equal to 0. So 5m plus 4 times of root 2 is equal to 0. Correct? Isn't it? M minus 3 root 2. Yeah. Or else you just keep it as it is. Let us simply do this. Let us simply multiply and leave it. 1 second, I'll write here. So root 2 plus 6m is equal to m minus 3 root 2. Okay, people? So this is what we got. Now, what is m value from this? What is the m value from this? Tell me the value of m. Jaffer, you have given the answer. What is the answer, Jaffer? Option A given option. Option A is yes, right answer. Option A is right answer. But how, Jaffer, can you explain once? M value you got. We need to find out equation. That's it. Very simple. M value, find it out. Jaffer has done, but he is not explaining. I don't know why. Someone has texted me. Who is this? Substitute 1 comma 3 in 4 options. Very good. That is also one of the way to do. Good. If I ask you to follow the procedure, then how would you be able to solve that? One second. So if I, that is also like, going with that correct one. This is also correct only. Or else if you look at this here, very simply, you can just go with the formula. So we know the formula and everything, right? Tan inverse of everything he has given. Why I wrote root 2 here? Why I wrote 2? Why I have written that simple root 2? Because of tan inverse of root 2 is equal to modulus of m minus 1. M was 1 3 root 2 whole divided by 1 plus 3m root 2. Okay. So root 2 is equal to m minus 3 root 2 whole divided by 1 plus 3m root 2. Okay. So now just now we have done this. So it will be divided, it will be distributing in two ways, plus or minus, right? So if I take plus, so 6m plus root 2m, 6m plus root 2 is equal to m minus 3 root 2. So 5m is equal to minus 4 root 2. So m value is going to be 4 root 2 by 5. Keep it aside. Okay. So when it is plus, you will be getting this. When it is minus, what is the kind? I mean, modulus will be breaking into plus and minus, right? So that is plus value. If you have minus value, what you're going to get? Just simplify. That's my 3 minus 3 root 2. Just a minute. Please take minus and solve it, everyone. Yes. So take a minus. So m minus 3 root 2 is equal minus 6m minus root 2 directly. So 2 root 2 is equal to 7m. M value is 7m. Yes, m value is what? 2 root 2 by 7. Correct? Okay. So this is what I got. Now what we can just do here? Y is equal to mx plus c. So option, yes, option A only will be getting beta. So 4 root 2 by 5y, yes. Exactly, you will be getting that only. So can I write now? So as per the option demands me, as per the option demanding me, what I will be choosing, I'll be choosing 2 root 2 by 7. So if I choose that, look at this, what I'm going to get now. Y is equal minus 4 root 2 x by 5 plus 3 plus 4 root 2 by 5. Isn't it? Yes. So just solve this now. What are you going to get? 4 root 2x, I mean 5y is equal minus 4 root 2x plus 3 plus 4 root 2 Okay, so 4 root 2x, 5y plus 4 root 2x minus of 3 minus 4 root 2 is equal to 0. Okay, which option is correct? 4 root 2. Option 4 root 2. Option A is only correct. 5 by 4 root 2. Option A is correct. Yes. So option A is correct, guys. Next question. Next question. Everyone solve this question. Very good question actually. Eighth one. Eighth one. Everyone solve this. Guys, I got only two. Like if I get simple hint, I'll straight away just put a tick mark. Need not to just make a confusion over there. Very simple question. Make it fast. Option, fourth option. Very good. Guys, very simple question. You see, you will be getting two m values over here and just solving this. The previous question, the calculation I just left you. Solve it. Next question. Very simple, bro, Babu. Or else I'll just simply give a trick to you all. If you don't get that, I'll just simply give a trick to you all. The previous question you can solve in the one more way as well. What is the way? So you have a point and slope. You take any slope, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 formula. Point slope form. What is the point you have? You have 1 comma 3 point here. And slope, you take either this slope or this slope. So y minus y1 is equal to m is what? 4 root 3, 5, x minus x1. So 5y minus 15 minus 4 root 2x plus 4 root 2. देखो डायरेक्टली मिल जाएगा मुझे आंसर 4 root 2x plus 5y minus of 15 minus 4 root 2. I mean, this is the answer directly. Look at this point slope form I used. I will get this. Next question. Solve this question, everyone. Option 4. No, Jafar ji, wrong ji.
Quick, quick. Arithmetic mean of reciprocals of the intercept of the line and the coordinate axis is 1/4. Three stones A, B, and C are placed at the points 1, 1, 2, 2, and 4, 4 respectively. Then which of these stones are on the path of the man? Very, very good question. Look at this here. Let me just, first of all, let us, he's talking about what arithmetic mean of the reciprocals of the intercept. So slope intercept form is talking about. So what is the formula for that? X by A plus Y by B is equal to 1, right? So let us speak. So let's draw this. And guys, the slope intercept form, this would be my A comma 0. This would be my 0 comma B. At some point here I took, generally we take H comma K and we will solve, right? Straight lines H comma K I took here. Okay. So this point, this line passes through H comma K, right? So H by A plus K by B is equal to 1. So what is H here? Yeah. So let's take this as first equation. Next, 1 by A reciprocals, right? 1 by B by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Is it? The arithmetic mean of the reciprocals of the intercept of this line on the coordinate axis is 1 by 4. So reciprocal of the arithmetic. So 1 by A plus 1 by B by 2 is equal to what? 1 by 4 given. Okay, so what is this going to be now? 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to 1 by 2. If I just shift this 2 this side, it will be 1 by 2, right? So I got this. So, and this line passes through what? These stones is nothing but like A, B, C given to you, placed at the point these, respectively. Then the which of the stone is on the path of the man? Very good question. So line 1, 2, it's passes through 1, 2, 2. So let's take this as my second equation. Okay. Tell me guys, from 1 and 2, what you observe? Through what the line is passing? 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 4, Babu. So through what point the line is passing through? 2, 2 only, right? Only 2, 2. If I take this as A, B, C, the line is passing through only 2, 2, which is B. Only B. Understood my point or not? So yes. Jafarji, have you done it the same way? This is the way you have solved. Hello. Have you solved Rainikaji? Guys, can you hear me or not? Hello. People can hear me. If you cannot hear my voice, tell me, or else you can solve in another way. So this is the one point, and we can solve with the no slope intercept formula. We can solve by using this method as well. Let me tell you. Okay. Point y is equal to mx plus slope form. So for suppose, look at this here. What is y-intercept beta here? C is my y-intercept. What is x-intercept? X-intercept is what? Minus C by M. Okay. He has given the arithmetic mean of the reciprocals of the intercept. Arithmetic mean of reciprocals of the intercepts. So this is one intercept, x-intercept. What is the reciprocal of that? M by C. What is the reciprocal of y-intercept? Y-intercept. This is y-intercept. Correct? What is the y-intercept reciprocal? 1 second, guys. Y-intercept. So what is the y-intercept reciprocal? 1 by C whole divided by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Arithmetic mean. He has given this. Now simplify this. What you're going to get now? Minus m plus 1 by 2 times of c is equal to 1 by 4. 2 ones, 2 twos. So what you're going to get now? Minus 2m plus 2 is equal to c. So c is equal to 2 minus 1 minus m. Correct? This is my c value. And about very simple to get c value we got. What we know, y is equal to mx plus c, right? Y is equal to mx plus c. C is what? 2 times of 1 minus m. Okay. So y is equal to mx plus 2 minus 2m. Okay. So y minus 2 is equal to m common x minus 2. Okay. Y minus 2 minus m of x minus 2 is equal to 0. So look at this here. It always passes through what now? Tell me, 1 comma 1 or 4 comma 4 or 2 comma 2? Tell me. So let us go with 1 comma 1. 1 minus 2 minus m 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Impossible, but 1 comma 1 is not possible here. Only 2 comma 2 possible. Why? Because look at this, if I take substitute 2 minus 2 0 and this 2 minus 2 0. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Only 2 comma 2 point only satisfies to this line. So answer is what? Now only 2, which is B. 2 comma 2 is what? B. Only B is the answer. That is how you will be solving this type of question. Okay, guys. Next question. Next question. Everyone solve this question. 10th one. This is also 2021 question, guys. Look at this. Make it fast. Option A. Okay, let's see whether option A is or not.
The image of the point 3 comma 5 in the line, this one, lies on that. Lies on which line? Guys, we know the formula. Formula is what? X minus x1 by this intercept is equal to y minus 5 by minus 1, for me coefficient of y is equal, what you are going to get now, tell me, minus 2 times of a x1 plus minus, I mean 3 minus 5 plus 1 directly by 2, what you are going to get. So directly solve this, minus x minus 3 by 1. Guys, after solving this, what do you get? So minus 2 minus 1. So 2 by 2 is 1. So you will be getting 1 beta. If I solve this one, I'm going to get 1 actually. So x by x minus 3 by 1 is equal to 1. Y minus 5 by minus 1 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1 plus, so 4. Correct? It's 3 comma 4. So 3 comma 4, so which equation it satisfies? Tell me. 3 comma 4, right? So 3 comma 3 means 1 0. Option E. Sorry, x value is 4 beta here. I'm sorry. X value is 4 here, not 3. X value is 4. So x value 4 means option A only correct. So here 0, it will not satisfy, it will not satisfy. So option A only correct beta. Option A is correct. Yes, yes. Yes, Mohammed. You are correct. You are right. You are right. Yes. So reflection of a point, look at it. This is the formula we have used. X minus x1 by A is equal to y minus y1 by B. You can see this formula. Minus 2 times of A x1 B by 1. So this is the formula we have used. Next question we can go here is x square b square. Next question. One second. Everyone solve this question. 16th one. If the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points P and Q has y-intercept is equal to minus 4, then the value of k is what? Guys, we need to find out the k value. Very simple here. Very simple. Very simple. What is the question given to you? If the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points, this has y-intercept equal to -4. Perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points. Okay. Value of k is what? So better look at this here. Let us talk about the midpoint. Midpoint of PQ is what? Tell me. X1 plus x2 by 2. So k plus 1 by 2. 3 plus 4. So 7 by 2. Okay. And what is the slope of this PQ? Slope of PQ is what? Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So or else 4 minus 3 by 1 minus k is equal to 1 by 1 minus k. Correct? Anyway, so this is one thing we got. Actually, one thing we can observe. See, what is the slope of perpendicular passing through the point? This, what is this he has given? Look at this here. Let me write. Slope of the perpendicular passing through this point at the same time 0 comma minus 4. Why 0 comma minus 4? Y intercept is given -4, x will be 0, right? So what is the slope of? Let me just talk about this slope somewhat later. Then slope of perpendicular passing through 0 comma minus 4 and k plus 1 by 2 comma 7 by 2. Okay, so what you are going to get now? 7 by 2 minus into minus plus 4 divided by k plus 1 by 2 minus 0. So 7, 8. So 8 means 15 by 2, correct? In the numerator, 15 by 2 by k plus 1 by 2. So this will get cancelled. So 15 by k plus 1 you will get. Okay. So now look at this, and I got the slope of this. Let us take this as m1 and let us take this m2. Okay, he's talking about perpendicular bisector, right? So we know the perpendicularity condition. What is the perpendicularity condition? m1 m2 is equal to -1. Product of their slope should be equal to -1. So 15 by k plus 1 into 1 by 1 minus k is equal to -1. All right. So 15 by here 1. Basically, look at this. I'll tell you one thing. Actually, here, where is that? Slope of PQ is what? Y2 minus Y1. Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. So Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. So 3 minus 4. So -1 by X2 minus X1. K minus 1. Yes. So you will be getting -1 by K minus 1 here. Okay. So here -1 by K minus 1. So here -1 will be getting cancelled here. This -1 will be getting cancelled. Clear? So I can just say now 15 by a square minus b square is equal to 1. So 15 is equal to k square minus 1. K ka value 16. So k is equal to plus or minus 4. This is my answer. Plus or minus 4. Option B is correct. -4 is available, so I'll be writing -B. -4 is the answer. Yes, guys. This is how you can do this. Next question. Everyone solve this 17th one. Solve the 17th one. What he has given here? If the line 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 is the distance this and this from the lines this and this respectively, then sum of all possible values of alpha and beta. Very, very good question. Come on, make it fast. So what is the answer, guys? Look at it. The line. This is a line. Is that a distance 1 by root 5 and 2 by root 5 from the line? This one. Okay. So line 1 he has given what is it? 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. And sure. So distance of this and from the line and so we guys look at it. Can I just here he has given one more line. So 4x minus 2y plus alpha is equal to 0. Correct. So can I write this as, can I just take two, they're just making these two people equal. Can I take 2 common? 2x minus y. I mean, can I divide it to 2? Look at this. Okay. Now similarly 6x minus 3y plus beta is equal to 0. So to get rid of this, to make it equal, what I have to do by dividing with 3. So 2x minus y plus beta by 3 is equal to 0. Correct? Yes, this is my line to beta. Okay. So from these two lines, can I do now distance between line 1 and line 2? Distance between line 1 and line 2 is what? What is the distance between line 1 and line 2? So yes, you can use the distance between line 1 and, guys, total like 3 lines we have here. This is line 1, this is line 2, this is line 3. Okay. So in fact, this is your line 2 going to be, this is line 1, line 2, line 3. This is L3. Let me write here. This is L2. This is L1. Okay, beta. You just find out distance between L1 and L2. I think we have done it the time. I have class for your juniors. So I'll give a hint to you. L1 and L3. Find it out, and you will get alpha values here, and you will get beta values here. Okay. Just then sum of all values. Just add sum of all values. Sum of all alpha and beta values. You just do that, and we'll discuss if you don't get in the next class, guys. Distance between L1 and L2, distance between L1 and L3, if you do so, you'll get alpha and beta values. Add them. That is your job. Okay, people. So okay, let's make a move now. I think it's time already 3 minutes late, so your juniors are waiting. So thank you, people. Goodbye.